How to fix ChatGPT not working. In order to fix ChatGPT when it's not working or loading, you could follow these troubleshooting steps, starting with the most common solution. Before troubleshooting your device, ensure the issue isn't an OpenAI end. You want to visit the OpenAI status page to see if there are any ongoing outage or maintenance as well. Now next you want to go with refreshing your page, so simply swipe down from the top and then you could refresh. That might also be able to help. If you're using the browser version of it, you want to clear the cache, so go to your browser and open up any browser that you have, tap on the three dot icon, go to settings, and over here you'll be able to see privacy and security. There you have delete browsing data. You could go ahead and click open that up, and that's how you can go ahead and locate this. So this way you'll be able to fix, as well as other than that you could also use the incognito mode. So open up the tab and tap onto the new incognito, and this way you could also fix. Next you want to temporarily turn off browser extension or any sort of VPN if you're using, that might also be able to solve. Next, you also want to restart your router or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And ChatGPT may block certain VPNs a server for security reason. So try turning off your VPN and reloading the site as well. If you're using the mobile app, you want to ensure you have a latest version from the App Store or the Google Play Store as well. So this way you should be able to fix your ChatGPT if not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.